Hi, welcome to the Ann and Ashley Show. I'm Ann.
I'm Ashley.
And we work at Connors Clinic, an alternative cancer care clinic here in the Twin Cities. We both are holistic nutritionists. We both are certified in Methyl-Genetic Nutrition, and we both are currently enrolled in a Naturopath program.
And along with our credentials too, we also have life experiences that we would love to share you each of our own perspectives. So like many of you are on your own health journey, different part of stages of life going on. We also are on our own, so when we come together, we're able to share that with you and reach a variety of ages and diversity of people and diagnosis and just health topics in general.
Yes, and so here at Connors Clinic, we see people who are interested in preventing disease, so they're taking an active approach in what they're eating, what they're exposing themselves to in their environment, trying to prevent disease. Or we are working with the other end of the spectrum where people have a diagnosis, whether it's cancer, autoimmune disease, Lyme disease. So we learn from our patients as well. Everybody is a unique individual. Everybody has a different idea of what they think might be beneficial for them. Yeah. Everybody has a different cause of what has led them to the point that they are at in their health journey. So in learning from our patients and developing these individual protocols for them, plus working underneath Dr. Connors and all of his expertise in the area, and with our education, we're able to really provide a lot of resources for our patients, and that's the goal of this show and these episodes, is really to provide the information from a clinic perspective and give you bite-sized pieces of information that you can apply to your life.
Yeah, we want to share with you, along with as we continue our education, share with you the topics that we cover, things that we've applied in our own lives, from detoxing your home to your beauty products to just converting to non-toxic, looking at maybe ingredients or supplements even that you can add into your regimen to do either the preventative or maybe it applies to something you're going through currently.
And so if you have a topic of interest that you're hoping to get some more information about, please let us know. We learn from our patients as well. And so really, we want to just use this show as a blessing to you guys. Please like and subscribe to our different social media platforms. Share it with your friends. Really, it's supposed to be a tool for empowerment.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for episode 2.
Yeah.
18.